here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today we have a really exciting video for you. Do you guys remember Justin and Michael from Prego, Italia, Living Our Italian Dream? Well, if you're not familiar with them, a lot of you are, but you should go over to their YouTube channel and subscribe because they are so much fun. And you'll recall that about a year ago, they purchased a villa up here in the Baia del Carpano region here in Scalea. And I'll tell you, it was a nice villa when they bought it, but it needed a little bit of love. In fact, it needed a lot of love. Well, that love has happened. These guys just started right away and there was a whole lot of work happening. And really almost less than a year later, it is completely different. It's so beautiful and I can't wait to take you on a tour. So let's go have a look. Okay, as you recall, this was all grass here, and I don't believe this gate was here. They had this security gate put in, which is really, really nice because they have a place now to park their car. They had this beautiful driveway put in, which, as you know, we're going to be putting in a pool in our backyard and we're going to have beautiful hardscaping, and this is exactly what I want. So we're going to be looking into utilizing their particular guy for our hardscaping as well. Now these balustrades here were not there and they are just perfect for this villa. It's very Amalfitani, very Napoli. I just love it so much. Now they have a lot of land here, and as you can see, the views out here from the Baia del Carpano area is they're just gorgeous. So I'm going to take you first on a tour of the gardens and the outdoor spaces and then of the inside. Now, this part here, this pavimenti, tiles or bricks or whatever you want to call them, they were here already. And they put in some planter boxes. They filled up all these little pots with beautiful, beautiful trees and plants. They made a section back there for their dogs. They rebuilt that little roof over there. Really, really nice. From this side, you can see they put up this gorgeous pergola. And what I love about it is they have grapevines already winding their way up. And by next year, next summer, they're going to be all over the top, adding a lot of shade in this beautiful outdoor area. Now, as we come around, this particular lot that they're on is just gorgeous because it's kind of on the corner. So you really have views everywhere you look. I love what they did here. This little conversation section here, so pretty. Out there you can see Cirella Island and the peaceful, beautiful, beautiful sea. Just gorgeous. Now here, I don't know if you recall, obviously the place was a little bit run down. This tetto here, this thing, was here. But as I recall, I don't remember if these metal things were here, but I think they were just in rough shape. They put bougainvillea over it, and they've created another little eating space out here. And I want to show you, they went to Vetri sul Mare, and they got some really cute tiles and stuck them on the walls. Right above this little conversation place here, there's this beautiful Amalfitana scene that's just lovely. This arch was kind of worse for wear, and they had that all redone as well. So you can see that the outdoors, the gardens here, and the seating areas and the multiple levels, very, very beautiful. Okay, I'm going to come around and go in through the kitchen door because I want to show you the kitchen. It was kind of a funny kitchen before, but they took out the old 1970s tiles and put in a beautiful Amalfitana themed kitchen here. So we're coming in now from where the little seating area was. They salvaged the tiles for the floor, which were great. And this is their new kitchen. Perfectly set up for parties and entertaining. Beautiful backsplash tiles, which I love. Now, just to let you know, this place is not for sale, but I want to show you what can be done with a place that needs a little love and when you have a lot of vision. This breakfast bar here had a different tile on it, so they went to the marmista. I don't know if you can see, but this is beautiful, I think travertine marble or something like that, polished up, very, very pretty, fitted perfectly for this particular space. Just gorgeous. Some of these things came with the house. This table came with the house, very nice. And the curtains came with the house, which I'm thrilled about because the curtains are fabulous. Here's Michael. Say hi, Michael.
Hello.
Hey. Oh, it's just so beautiful. What I love about this house is On all sides, there's windows, so you have light everywhere. Can I put you on film? Okay. And there's Karen, and there's Justin.
Hey!
Oh my goodness. And look who's on the screen. That's me.
Yay!
Yay!
We never miss an episode.
Oh gosh, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. Yeah, definitely go and sign up for their channel because it's always so much fun. Now, oh, I have to tell you about these bathrooms. They had a lot of tiles in there that were kind of old and tired, and they found out that they had to redo the plumbing in the bathroom, so they ripped everything out. Look at these. Look what they did here. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And these are the same as the kitchen, are very similar. Hello guys. And I love these beautifully shiny, pretty blue subway tiles. They did it also on the tub. Oh, I'm gonna ask them to design my the tiles for my house because I really want some help on that. You get one shot at it, kind of. You don't want to redo it. Now, this is another bathroom that they had, and this has been made accessible for somebody with mobility issues. A beautiful shower. They used the subway tiles again, but these are a different color. They said that Melee kept running out of the ones they wanted, so they couldn't go with the same tiles, but I like it a little bit different. Now, here's the master bedroom. So pretty. I just love that little lampadario up there. So pretty. Everything in here is fresh, clean. Oh, and this lavender room. I love it. I love it. Look at this beautiful ceiling fan. And almost every room, you can just walk outside and be in this beautiful space. It really, really is just unbelievable. So for those of you who are looking up here, you know, don't be afraid to get something that needs a little love. Obviously, we have some very talented people here that may be able to help you with stuff. I don't know, I can't speak for them, but there's always a lot of things you can do with these gorgeous little places and end up with something really, really stunning, just like this.